Hey guys, I'm Ganesh and you're watching Gadget Kara. So in this episode, I'm gonna show you how you can get Miui 10 in your Redmi Note 5 Pro. So I have Miui 9 with me, and so let's see how we can get the Miui 10. Go to System Updates and download the package which I have attached in the description. Download it, then go to System Updates, and you can click the three dots, and then you can choose the update package. And once upon choosing the update package, you can give OK and it will start decrypting it. It will take some time to decrypt it and install the package. So let's just wait for some time and let's see what happens after that. Once the package is installed, it will ask for reboot and update. So you just have to click reboot and update if you want to actually reboot and update. So none of your data will be gone, so don't worry about that, and it will take some time for the system to reboot and update the system. So that's it guys, the latest update has been done. So let's just go into it and see how it looks and feels. So with the Miui 10, so let's just log in and let's see. So as you can see here, this is the Miui 10 and you can see the notification has changed completely to the Miui 10 and it looks pretty awesome. It's really awesome, and as you can see, the whole notification and also the brightness bar has also changed completely. It is pretty awesome. Then let's go to the settings, and settings also seem to have changed a lot. The settings have changed. As you can see, the settings have changed and it is currently running in Android version 9. Sorry, 8. So it's still in 8.1 Oreo, but you can see it's in Miui 10. So this is the Miui 10. It's a stable version. You can also download it and you can see what all the changes are in the latest update as well. So there are a lot of UI changes basically and performance changes as well. Then the recent tab bar has also been changed. This looks pretty good, but you have to swipe right and left. It's kind of confusing at first, but it looks pretty good. But I think the issue with the recent bars, the app's not going, it's still there. Hopefully they'll remove it and fix it as soon as possible. Then let's see what else is there. The apps, icons, some of the icons have changed but not all of the icons, but it looks pretty neat. Let's just check the camera. So as you can see in the camera, the modes are all same, but I think in between portrait and photo mode, the size of the picture is not changing. The size of the picture is exactly the same without the zoom as it was earlier, and you don't have another option of going to the zoom which was available in the 9.5, I think 9.4 version. So that is gone now, but it looks pretty fine. So I'll just click to pictures and let's see the comparison of the pictures as well. Okay, now I think there is a bug in the camera. It's stuck. So as you can see, it's currently stuck. I cannot do anything. Okay, I'll just have to take it again. Okay, so yeah, I have now. It's possible I can click a picture. As soon as any bugs I'll see any bugs, I'll report it. Also, I'll tell you as well if I find any bugs. As you can see, the top bar, notification bar status bar has also been changed, and the icons are different. I like the battery icon, which is pretty cool, I think. And yeah, the others are, I think, the same itself. There's not much of a difference for the other icons. So that's it guys, that's how you can get the Miui 10 in your Redmi Note 5 Pro. I hope that you have liked this video. If you have, please leave a like and also share with your friends and subscribe to Gadget Craft for more such videos. So until next time, bye bye.